All right, so this might be a little controversial, but if you're not seeing the success of the labor you're putting in, it actually might be for somebody else in the future to come. You're paving the way. The road is paved because somebody paved it for you. So in the mid 1800s, on the path known as the Oregon Trail, it would take on average 6 months for a family to venture from Texas to Oregon. Now it takes like 4 hours and 25 minutes to fly from Austin, Texas to Portland, Oregon. It is much more difficult to pave the way than to walk the road that has already been paved. I'll read that one more time. It is much more difficult to pave the way than to walk the road that has already been paved. If you are not seeing the fruits of your labor today, know that they're setting somebody else up on their future path. And if you're finding it easy to walk the path towards your goals, don't forget that somebody already made that path for you. Nothing is of loss if you view it that way. Let me explain. Henrietta Lacks, 31-year-old mother of five, died of cervical cancer on October 4th, 1951. Why do I tell you this? Well, her cells, they became known as HeLa. So the HE and the LA, using the first two letters of each of her names. And these are the first immortal human cells in history. All types of research and experiments suddenly became possible. Henrietta Lacks' cells were the first to ever survive and grow. Her cells were later described as 1 in 3 billion. HeLa cells went on to develop in vitro fertilization, several chemotherapy drugs, and among hundreds of other medical advances. Henrietta Lacks changed the modern medical field forever. Now, she never saw the fruits of her struggles, what they produced, never had anyone tell her thank you, never saw a single human healed from the pain she endured. Henrietta walked so that millions of others could run. The confidence boost today comes from knowing that even if you don't reap the benefits of what you are going through, someone else will. Keep going. You're paving the way for others to come. And if you are reaping the benefits right now, currently, make sure you are grateful to those who paved the way before you. As you probably know, I am really big on health and especially brain health. That's where it all starts, literally, the brain. And when I have an opportunity to try something out that is said to, yeah, this will improve cognition and help with neurodegeneration and also the inflammation in the brain, I'm gonna check it out. And what I have found has been really positive so far. I've been feeling clear. I've been feeling sharp. I've been feeling high energy. So I'm seeing the results, but also seeing and hearing the patient studies and the results that have been done. This is called Tri Neuro Supplements, just like it sounds. TRI Neuro NEURO Supplements.com. Check it out. They are changing the game when compared to Alpha Brain, which is supposed to be and supposedly known as the best. It actually outperforms with the level of ingredients and the cost. So it's not going to just rob you of the bank to be boosting your brain. It's a small pill that you take. It's just like a vitamin like anything else. And hey, check it out. What they're doing for the David Nurse Show and anybody listening, they're giving 20% off. The code at checkout is NURSE20, and that's TriNeuroSupplements.com. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Give me the feedback. And I think it's really worth it. Honestly, just anything you can do to protect your brain and the longevity of the mental health that you have, go for it.